Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Prati Foods. Whenever we go to Andhra restaurants, we'll definitely have dal. It has unique taste and flavors. So let's see how to make it. You can make this dal at home with simple ingredients within no time. Now let's see the ingredients required to make this dal. We need 1 cup of tur dal, green chilies, tamarind, 2 medium tomatoes, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 1 large onion, finely chopped coriander, turmeric powder, mustard seeds, jeera, chana dal, dry red chili and urad dal. Now take a cooker, add washed dal in it. Make sure you wash the dal thoroughly. For 1 cup of dal, add 3 cups of water and keep it aside. By the time the dal is soaking, let's cut onions. Cut the onion into big chunks. Don't cut onion into small pieces. By the time dal is cooked, onion will get mashed. So make sure the chunks are big. Put the chopped onion chunks into dal. Now let's take tomatoes. Chop them into small pieces. Tomatoes have to be chopped into small pieces. Now add in the chopped tomatoes into the dal. Slit green chilies. I'm taking 8 green chilies because these are not so spicy. If your chilies are spicy, take little less. Add those slit chilies into dal. Close the lid and let the dal pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Check if your dal is cooked. Some dals take more time to cook. If it's not cooked, keep another whistle or 2. Mash the dal finely. Once it is mashed, keep the dal aside. Now let's prepare the tempering. For it, take a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat. Don't add the tempering before that. Once the oil is heated, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of chana dal, half teaspoon of urad dal, and 3 cloves of garlic, crushed garlic, 4 to 5 red chilies, half teaspoon of turmeric. Let the tempering fry for a while. Add 8 to 10 curry leaves. Mix it well. Once it is done, pour the tempering into the dal. Give it a good mix. Now add in chopped coriander and give it a mix. Add tamarind pulp. Give it a stir. Add salt as per your taste. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. This gives good aroma and flavor. Let the ghee simmer for a while. Make sure you put it in a low flame, else the dal will get burnt at the bottom. Keep stirring in between. Dal has to be of this consistency. Dal will become more thick once it is cooled. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and your dal is ready. Take it into a serving bowl and enjoy it with your family. Do try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe.